Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the student brand. So here you can see one more question related to circuit based. Okay. So I'll write on the board. Just try to solve it. Circuit based problem. Okay. So chalo start the problem. Okay. So try to solve this problem. Try to solve it. Question number. Draw a draw a schematic diagram. A schematic diagram of a circuit consisting 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 of a battery, okay, of three cells of 2 volts each, 2 volts each. Okay, so a combination of three resistors. Okay, so three resistors of 10 amp 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 30 ohm connected in parallel connected in parallel a plug key okay, connected in parallel a plug key and an ammeter all connected in series, use this circuit to find the value of the following. Okay, so you have to draw the circuit diagram. Okay, so you have to draw the circuit diagram. First you have to find out current through each resistor. Current through each resistor. And second one, total current in the circuit. And the second one, total effective resistance of the circuit. So this question is very very important. So related to, okay, so try to identify it. Okay, so find out the question. So read the question carefully. Identify the answer. Okay, So try to draw a schematic diagram of circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells. So that is a question. First read the question. Then you will get the answer. Try to read the question. So identify the given data. First write. Okay. So draw a schematic diagram of circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volts each, a combination of 3 resistors 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm, okay, connected in parallel, a plug key and an ammeter all connected in series. Use this circuit to find the value of the following: current through each resistor and total current in the circuit, total effective resistance of the circuit. Okay, so first of all, so identify the question. As I said, you have to identify the question. Okay, so first check once here. Check once. So here you can see. So first you have to identify what are the things they given in the question. So draw a schematic diagram of consisting battery of 3 cells. Battery of 3 cells, 2 ohm each. Okay, means total potential difference is 6 volts. 6 volts potential difference. And a combination of 3 resistors. So these are connected in parallel. Okay, so 3 resistors. So what are those? 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm connected in parallel. Okay, so those are connected in parallel. So use this circuit to find the value of current. So we have to find out current, total current, current through each resistor, you have to find out, and total effective resistance, understood or not? So first of all you have to identify, the question I said, right? So here draw the circuit. They asked schematic diagram means circuit diagram only. Schematic diagram means circuit diagram. Schematic diagram is nothing but circuit diagram. Okay, so you have to draw the circuit diagram. First they mentioned 3 resistors are connected in parallel combination. Understood or not? 3 resistors are connected in parallel combination. And anyway, so first you draw the parallel combination. So 1, next to 2, next to 3. Okay, so these 3 resistors are connected in parallel combination. That is, okay, so 10 ohm, 20 ohm. So you can take, this is a 10 ohm, 20 ohm and a 30 ohm. So, and a plug key, ammeter, an ammeter. So a plug key, ammeter. So yes, now ammeter is connected here. So plug key will connect. So now 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 cells. 3 cells are connected. So you can check here. 3 cells are connected and switch. This is the switch. And here like this you can take. Okay. So schematic system battery, 3 cells combination, plug key connected ammeter. So yes. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. They didn't mention about voltmeter. So a diagram consisting battery, three cells. Okay, so connected parallel meter, connected series. This is circuit diagram following. Okay, yes. So potential difference, overall potential difference here they mentioned. How much they mentioned? 2 volts, 2 volts, 2 volts. Total 6 volts. Okay, na? So how many cells? 3 cells. 3 cells of 2 volts each. 3 cells of 2 volts each. So like that you have to connect. So current. So it is closed. So positive terminal, negative terminal, current is passing. Here also current is passing. Positive terminal, negative terminal. Now you can see here. Now you can observe. Okay, so we have to find out current through each resistor. current through each resistor, right? So V equal to IR, V equal to IR. So this is the main formula, V equal to IR. Understood or not? So I1 equal to V by R1. So R1 is how much? R1 equal to 10 ohm, R2 equal to 20 ohm, R3 equal to 30 ohm. Okay, these are. So V anyway same, V equal to 6 volts. So 6 by 10. How much? 0.6. So 0.6 ampere. Current only, right? 0.6 ampere. Next one. So I2. That is V by R2. That is, so V equal to how much? 6. Potential difference. Resistance how much? 20. How much you'll get? That is 0.3. 0.3 ampere. Next one I3. I3 equal to V by R3. So 6 by 30. How much you'll get? So 0.2 I hope. 0.2. 0.2 sorry. 0.2 answer. Here 0.2 is answer. Just check once. 0.2. 0.2 ampere. So I have to add all the current they are asking. So this is the current through each resistor. I1, I2, I3. Okay. So now total current I equal to 0.6 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. How much? So what is the total current value? So 1.1 ampere, right? 1.1, 1.1 ampere. So I. Now, so equivalent for, so we have to find out R value. So find out R value and let me know. So what is the R value? Anyone knows the R value? Okay, let me know the R value. R value is very important. So it is very easy, simple. First find out the R value. How to find out the R value? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. So here you can see the formula of resistance in parallel combination. That is 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So then 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Understood or not? Total 60. So you get 6 plus 3 plus 2. 11 by 6 I hope. 11 by 60. Then you'll get 60 by 11. So what is the answer? So Rp equal to, I am writing here, Rp equal to 60 by 11. 5.45 ohm. So this is the total R value. Just check once. This is the answer. R value, this is the R value. And current through each resistance. So current, total current in the circuit is I equal to 1.1 ampere. So each resistor, we got it. Check once here, is it correct or not? Is it correct or not? Let me know. Is it clear? So check once the answer. 11 by 60, you will get 5.45. Okay, so they will give like this. Okay, so you have to read the question. You have to read the question carefully. You have to read the question carefully, then you will get the answer. Okay, first you have to identify what exactly they given. Okay, what exactly they given, we have to identify. So draw a schematic diagram of circuit. Here voltmeter means whatever potential we got here, so that will be here because same potential will be there. That's why I given this one. So you can, if you mention only this one, fine. And a combination of 3 resistors 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm are connected in parallel. A plug key or ammeter all connected in series. Okay, so all connected in series, right? So use this, find the value of the current. First one is A, current through each resistors. I1 equal to V by R1, 6. See here, potential difference is fixed. This is the data. You can check, this is the data. So R1 equal to 10, R2 equal to 20, R3 equal to 30, B equal to 6. So 6 by 10, 6 by 20, 6 by 30, you will get 0.6 ampere, 0.3 ampere, 0.2 ampere, total 1.1 ampere. So that is total current. So we know resistance, equivalent resistance in parallel combination, 1 by Rp equal to, so we'll get 11 by 60, Rp equal to 60 by 11. You'll get the answer, that one. Understood? So I hope it is very clear. So I hope it is very clear. So just check once. Right? So next question. See the next question. Try to solve this one. Try to solve this one. Next question we'll do it. Next question, that is, so electric current only. Next question, one more problem we'll do it. One more problem. So let's try. Find the resistance. Try to identify the answer and let me know in the comment section. Okay, so check once here. So next question we'll see. So find the resistance of question find the resistance of a conductor if the electric current flowing through it is 0.35 ampere when the potential difference across it is 1.4 volts. So this is the question. So let me know the answer. What is the answer? Let me know the answer. Try to identify the answer and let me know the answer in the comment section. So easy only, simple one. So easy, simple one. Try to identify the answer. Okay, check once. What is the answer? Anyone knows the answer? The answer is very easy only. Yes, B equal to IR formula. So I given, B given. So find out the resistance. So 4 is the answer, correct. Very good. Next one more question. So you can check here. So find the resistance of the conductor, the electric current. Current is given I equal to 0.35 ampere and potential difference V equal to 1.4. So we know V equal to IR. V equal to IR. From this we have to find out find the resistance. R equal to V by I. R equal to V how much? 1.4. Okay, and I equal to how much? 0.35. So multiply and divided by 100. So to remove the denominator 0, so 140 by 35. Okay, so how much you got? 4 ohm. Answer is 4 ohm. Check once, is it correct or not? So we'll go to the next question. Try to check the answer. Is it correct? So next one. So next question. So next question is a 6 ohm resistance wire, wire is doubled on itself. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. So what is the answer? So let me know the answer. Check once here. So it is very easy only. Say 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled on itself. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. Okay. So that is the question. A 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled on itself. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. So here you can see, so this is the length of the wire. So suppose if you take this the length of the wire, okay. So when it is folded like this, Normally this is the length of the wire. When it is folded, doubled on itself. So when length of the wire is this one, when it is doubled on itself, length is decreasing by half and area is increasing. Understood or not? Area is increasing. So if you are taking this resistance, so L is L, area is. So initial area is L, initial length is L, initial area of the cross section is A. Now when it is doubled on itself, if you are taking doubled on itself, so you can see doubled on itself. Understood? So then it is folded like this. Exactly. Then area is increasing, length is decreasing. Area is increasing, area of the cross section is doubled, but length of the wire is getting off. Okay. So now you can see, now formula is normally original resistance R equal to 6 ohm. Original resistance R equal to 6 ohm. Understood or not? So R equal to 6 ohm. 6 ohm. Now we have to find out. We know the formula. What is the formula? So R equal to rho into L by A. Here material is not changing. That's why. So here L dash equal to L by 2. A dash equal to 2A. Then here rho equal to rho dash. So resistance is not changing because material is same. So resistance is not changing. So R dash equal to rho dash into L dash by A dash. Now rho only, L dash equal to L by 2 and A dash equal to 2A. L dash equal to L by 2, A dash equal to 2A. So R dash equal to, so here you can take rho into L by 2 into 2A, then you are getting 1 by 4 rho L by A. So R dash equal to 1 by 4 into rho L by A, that is R. So R dash equal to R by 4. R equal to how much? 6 ohm. R equal to how much? 6 ohm. So 6 by 4, 3 by 2, that is 1.5 ohm. Okay, so R dash equal to 1.5 ohm. So check once, is it correct or not? R dash equal to 1.5 ohm. So this is the answer. So a 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled on itself. Calculate the, here a 6 ohm resistance of wire is doubled on itself. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. New resistance of the wire answer is 1.5 ohm. Okay, so it is doubled on itself. Understood or not? Is it clear? So just let me know the answer. Is it clear or not? Next one more question. One more question. One more question. Just check once. So 3 2 ohm resistors, question 3 ohm 3 2 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistors A, B and C are connected in series combination, connected in such a way that the total resistance of the combination is total resistance of the combination is 3 ohm. Okay, so show the arrangement of the 3 ohm resistors, three resistors, and justify your answer. So this is the question. So check once. Let me know the answer. Check once. Check the answer. Check the question first. So, 3 2 ohm resistors A, B, C are connected in such a way that so till now completed. So all those tough questions. So I'll connect. I'll write one more question. Okay, very good. So one is parallel, another one is two are in series. So if you connect in that way, so you'll get the answer. Okay, check once here. If you connect, so here you can see, so 3 2 ohm resistors are ABC are connected in such a way that total resistance of the combination is 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So like that 3 resistors are given. Okay, so each resistance is 2 ohm. Okay, here you can see this is 2 ohm, 2 ohm. Each resistance is 2 ohm, 2 ohm. So here is 2 ohm, and here is 2 ohm, and here is 2 ohm. Okay, so each resistance is 2 ohm. Those are connected in so we have to connect to get 3 ohm resistance. So however you connect, but I need to get overall resistance. See, so overall resistance is 3 ohm. If you connect in series, so you can't get it. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. If you connect in parallel also, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is, so 1 by Rp, you will get a 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is Rp equal to 2 by 3. So that also wrong. So you won't get the answer. So better we will try different method. Okay, so you have to use different methodology to get the answer. So I'm connecting. So check once. I'm connecting 1, 1, 2. Okay, so and one more. So here I'm connecting here. So this is 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm. Okay, first these two are in parallel, then series. So if you do it, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by Rp, then you will get, so 2, 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2, that is Rp. So Rp equal to 2 by 2, that is 1 ohm. So Rp equal to 1 ohm. Rp equal to 1 ohm. Then if you add, so to this one, 2 plus 1 is 3 ohm. So the combination you are getting, the combination. So answer for this question is, so you have to connect two resistors are in parallel combination, one resistors in series. Okay. Okay. So now you can see one more question. So one more question. So very hard question. So try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. Okay, see here. A copper wire of resistivity. So one more question. Let's solve this one. So already I made a playlist target physics 25 by 25 in that magnetic effects of electric current, human eye. Okay, so electric current, all the chapters are there available. Once you go and check. So playlist target physics 25 by 25. So exam date also I mentioned. So February 25, just check once. 2026. So a copper wire has diameter diameter of as diameter of 0.5 mm and resistivity of 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Okay, what will be the length? What will be the length of this wire? Length of this wire to make its resistance, resistance of 10 ohm. So how much does it how much does it its resistance change if the diameter is doubled? If the diameter is doubled. So try to solve this one. Try to solve this question. A copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 mm and resistivity of 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of this wire? Okay. To make its resistance of 10 ohm, how much does its resistance change if the diameter is doubled? Find out. Diameter is given, from that we can find out radius. So resistivity is given. Okay. So okay. Since the diameter is doubled. Okay, initial resistance is given R1 by R2. R1 is 10 to point. So decrease in resistance. So can you solve? Okay. So check the answer. Check the answer. So first you have to find out the length. That is the first question. Okay, first you have to find out the so here you see, say a copper wire has diameter 0.5 mm. Okay, so 0.5 mm is given. First identify the data. Identify the given data. So here you can see given data. Given data. So first one is a copper wire. Okay, so this is the diameter. So normally what is the answer? So normally D equal to 2R. Diameter equal to twice of the radius. Right? And here resistivity is given. Resistivity rho equal to. And length. So and resistance also given. Resistance. So write the values. So diameter equal to 0.5 mm. Right? First write the data. And rho equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter, and resistance R equal to 10 ohm. So we have to find out the length we have to find out. So that is the first, okay, first step. So to how to find out the length. Second one, so this is the second question, how much, okay, so this is the second one. How much does its resistance change if the diameter is doubled? First from this we have to find out length. Okay. So anyway resistance is given. After that, so R1 by first question, that is the first question, right? So here what will be the length of this wire? So they are asking to find out length. So we have to find out first length. That is the first question. Okay, first question you have to do it. Then normal formula R equal to rho into L by A. From this L equal to RA by rho. RA by rho. So here they given diameter. So we know area equal to pi r square. Area equal to pi r square. Understood or not? So this is the A equal to pi r square. So R value. So from this we have to find out D equal to 2R. R equal to D by 2. So, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, then you will get 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. So then 1 mm equal to 10 power minus 3 meter. 10 power minus 3 meter. Understood or not? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, 1 meter equal to 10,000 mm. So 1 mm equal to 10 power minus 3. Here you can see 0.5. So that is the diameter. So radius how much? What is the radius? So how much you will get the radius? So 0.25. Understood now? Radius you will get. So here only you will do it. So R equal to D by 2. That is 0.5 by 2, 0.25 mm. Then R equal to 0.25 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, then we can also write 25 into 10 power minus 5 meter. Okay, so R equal to, so you'll get this one. So this is the answer, you can check. R value, you got R value only. Then you have to find out L equal to, R equal to, so R equal to how much? 10. So 10 into, so area pi r square. Pi into pi is nothing but 3.14. So pi value I am writing here. Pi equal to 3.14. Okay, pi value also I am writing here. So 3.14. 3.14 into pi r square. R square is nothing but 25 into 10 power minus 5 whole square by, so here rho equal to how much? 1.6 into 10 power minus 8. If you do it, how much you'll get the answer? How much you'll get the answer? Let me know. So 10 into 3.14, 25 into 10 power minus 1.6 into, okay, 122.6 will get 122.6 meter length, that is only length. So you got length. Okay. So now from this one you can see, from this one, so we know from this formula, from this R is, from this formula we can check here R equal to rho into L by A, R equal to rho into L by pi R square. So R equal to D by 2. We know R equal to D by 2. So R equal to, so rho into L by pi into D by 2 whole square. This is inversely proportional. So R is inversely proportional to D square. So R1 by R2 equal to, so D2 by D1. So here diameter is doubled. So D1 by D2. So D2 by D1, here diameter is doubled. So how much does it change? Diameter is doubled. Diameter is doubled in the sense D2 equal to 2D. D2 equal to 2D. So substitute the value. Then R1 by R2 equal to, R1 by R2 equal to 2D by D. Then D get cancelled. So square is there, right? D square. Square. Okay, so then you have to substitute. D square is there, right? So we can take it. So 2D square by D square. Then you will get R1 by R2. Then 4D square by D square. D square get cancelled. R1 by R2 equal to, R1 by R2 equal to 4. R2 equal to R1 by 4. That is initial how much? Initial resistance is 10. 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is 2.5. Yes or no? 10 by 4 is R2 is 2.5. 2.5 ohm. So change how much? So 10 minus 2.5. 10 minus 2, it is doubled. When it is double the resistance. When it is double the resistance. So they asked about how much does it resistance change. Change means, so original minus when it is double, that time you have to get it. Okay. So then you will get the answer. So how much you will get the answer? 10 minus 2.5. 10 minus 2.5. How much? 7.5. Okay. So 10 minus 2.5. How much you will get the answer? 7.5 is the answer. That is the final change. Okay, change. So finally I am writing here. So 10 minus 2.5, that is 7.5 is ohm. That is a change. This is the final answer. This is the 7.5 is the final answer. I hope you understood. 7.5 is the final answer. So place is not there. So I will be writing here. So here once again, so initial is 10 ohm. After the diameter is doubled. So from here, from this onwards, we did diameter is doubled. Okay, diameter is doubled. How much you got? 2.5. 2.5. So they are asking how much does it change? How much does its resistance change if the diameter is doubled? So total 10 minus 2.5 is 7.5 is the answer. 7.5 is the final answer. Change in resistance. Change in resistance. This is the final answer, 7.5. Okay, so check the answer. Check the answer. Is it correct or not? You can check the answer. Okay, so like that you have to solve. Like that you have to solve. So try to answer it. Try to check the question. Okay, identify the data given in the question. First identify the data. So if you identify the data, it is very easy to solve the question. So first step is identify the data. Okay. So next one. So one more question. Try to solve this question. Considering the following electrical circuit diagram in which 9 identical resistors. Okay. So what is the relationship between the readings of ammeter and give the answer? Okay, it's a lengthy question. So what is first one? The highest or the lowest? We'll solve this one or one more? Okay, done. One more question. Try to solve this one. An electrical iron. An electric iron. An electric iron of resistance. Iron of resistance. Resistance 20 ohm. 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the heat produced. Calculate the heat developed Heat developed in 30 seconds. Okay, so identify the answer. Heat developed. An electrical iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate heat developed in 30 seconds. Can you try to solve this question? What is the answer? So here resistance is given, current is given, time is given. So heat produced, formula, what is the formula for heat produced in the conductor? H equal to I square RT. Okay. So here you can see so an electric iron of resistance 20 ohm and a current 5 ampere. So 30 seconds given. Understood or not? So here we have to find out. Okay. So here we have to find out heat produced. Heat produced in the conductor. So that is H equal to I square RT. H equal to, so resistance is 20 ohm and current is 5 ampere and time equal to 30 seconds and H equal to I square RT. H equal to I square RT formula. Okay. H equal to I square RT. So then, so substitute the values. Here. I equal to how much? 5 whole square. R equal to how much? 20. And T equal to how much? 30. Okay. So if you solve it, how much you'll get the answer? How much? So H equal to 15 kilojoules. Is it clear? So multiply and let me know the answer. Is it correct or not? Let me know the answer. So next one more question. Next question. A piece of wire a piece of wire of resistance R of resistance R is cut into five equal parts, okay, five equal parts. These these parts are then connected in then connected in parallel, if the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash. Okay, so then ratio of R by R dash is, okay, that is the question. So A 1 by 25, B, so A is 1 by 25 and B is 1 by 5 and C is 5, D is 25. So let me know the answer. That is the question. Let me know the answer. So check the question. So here you can observe a piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of the combination is R dash. Okay, so then the ratio of, so we have to find out this one. We have to find out that one. Okay, so for that, what we have to do it, so that is normally this is R. Cut into 5 per 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each part resistance is R by 5. 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 Okay. So each part is R by 5 resistance. So these all are connected in parallel combination. So now you can see 1 by R dash. So that is R dash only in a parallel combination. Equivalent resistance R dash. So that is 1 by. So this is I am taking R1, R2, R3, R4. R4 and R5 is R4. R4, R5 is R only. R by 5. R by 5. That is correct. So, okay. So, we have to take R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 is R by 5. Yes or no? So, then R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R by 5. So, R5. Then that is 1 by R dash equal to 1 by R by 5 plus R 1 by R by 5 plus 1 by R by 5 plus 1 by R by 5 plus 1 by R by 5. Correct? Then if you take reverse, so 1 by R dash equal to 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R. That you will get 1 by R dash equal to 25 by R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 by R. Then you will get R dash equal to R by 25. They are asking the ratio of R by R dash. They are asking the ratio of R by R dash. So you can see R by R dash. R by R dash is, so this is 25, right? 25. Here is the 25. So R dash is equal to R by 25, right? Yes. So now here, so R by 25 is R by 25. Then it will comes to numerator R by R into 25. So R get cancelled. So R by R dash equal to 25 is the correct answer. So which one is the answer? Option D. Option D is the correct answer. Is it correct or not? So let me know the answer. Is it correct? Is it correct or wrong? Check once. So R by R dash is 25. Is it correct? A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then the ratio of R by R dash is, how much you'll get? Okay, substitute all the values, then get 1 by 1. So I hope you get 25. Is it correct? Done. So next one more question. We'll try to solve one more question. An electrical bulb An electrical bulb is rated. Question number 1. An electric bulb. An electric bulb is rated 220 volts and 100 volts. So when it is operated on 110 volts, the power consumed, so we have to find out okay the power consumed the power consumed will be so option A 100 volts, option A 100 volts, 100 volts, option B 75, option C 55 50, option D 25. So let me know the answer. So which one is the correct answer? Check once here. Check once and let me know the answer. Solve and try to. An electrical bulb is rated 220 volts and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volts, the power consumed will be. So check. So here you can observe one thing. So an electrical bulb is rated. So 220 volts and 100 volts when it is operated. Okay, so here same bulb is same. So electrical bulb means resistance is same. Okay, so resistance is same. So then we can take, so P equal to VI, I equal to V by R. So P equal to V square by R. Now we have to find out the resistance. From this one we can find out the resistance. Okay. So that is R equal to V square by P. That is nothing but, so 220 volts by P equal to how much? 100. Then R equal to, so what is the answer? 484. 484 ohm. 484 ohm. Right? So now you can check. So 484 ohm. Now the same bulb is operated at 110. How much you'll get the answer? Okay. So now you can see. So P equal to V square by R. So V equal to how much here now? So V equal to 110. Then 110 whole square by R equal to 484. Then how much you'll get the answer? You'll get 25 watt. So check the answer. Is it correct or not? 25 watt. So P equal to 25. P equal to 25. Answer is D. Answer is D. Understood? Check the answer. Is it correct or not? Check the answer. So P equal to 25 watt. This is the correct answer. Okay, so one more question. Okay, so we'll see the one more question. So thank you. So take break. So after that again we'll join to the class. So thank you so much for joining and attending, listening the class. So do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Okay. Thank you.